Hey y'all, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making strawberry shortcake cookies. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need strawberry cake mix, strawberry jello mix, vanilla instant pudding mix, white chocolate chips, cream cheese, butter, vanilla extract, vegetable oil, eggs, powdered sugar, and flour. For the strawberry crunch, we're going to combine 4 tablespoons of softened butter, 1 pack of strawberry jello mix, and 1/4 cup of flour. In a separate bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of softened butter, 1 pack of vanilla pudding mix, and 1/4 cup of flour. Flatten each flavor on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake at 350 degrees for 11 minutes. Allow to cool and finally crumble. For the cookies, combine 1 box of strawberry cake mix, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 large eggs. Fold in a 1/2 cup of white chocolate chips. Scoop equal-sized balls of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake at 350 degrees for 11 minutes. While the cookies cool, we're going to make our cream cheese frosting. For the frosting, combine a 1/2 cup of room temperature unsalted butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 cups of powdered sugar. Pipe the frosting on top of the cookies. Add the strawberry crunch. And there you have it, strawberry shortcake cookies. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.